definitely have your fuses ready. Okay, we're going to take the gas tank off. I'm going to inject fuel. Just a little bit of fuel in our carb here. Okay, we're going to jump our solenoid in neutral, or else this bike will jump. We want this all the way engaged. Okay, Petcock issue. Let's open a little bit. Issue. As you can see here, not getting any fuel. Just open it just a little bit, as you can see. That's going to be our issue, guys. No start. CX650. Now, I'm having a little bit of a wiring issue. I need to check my wiring and redo my wiring, but my headlamp stays on, my lights stay on. So you're gonna want to come in here right afterward and pop the fuse on your solenoid. And there it is. This could be something that gets your bike to start, because my Petcock wasn't engaging suction when the bike was in the on position, and even in the reserve setting it wasn't sucking up gas. So this issue took me a very long time to diagnose, but maybe this could help somebody out as well. All right, J.V. Everything about us is blue collar. We get out the mud. Stay tuned.